Hey Ageless Beauties, Dan and Robyn here. We have a product review today of something we got to try recently that we loved. This is not a sponsored video, it's just girls sharing with other girls something that we think might enhance your beauty.
Now, I had been hearing about these eyelash enhancers. They're or a product actually that makes your eyelashes apparently grow and get thicker and longer. And I really didn't believe it. I knew they were kind of pricey and expensive. There's several different brands out there, and I thought, oh, I don't know if I want to try that. It probably is just a waste of money, one of those products that doesn't really work. Well, Danna has a friend that introduced her to a line that has a lash booster, and she said she liked it, and I tried it as well. And I got to tell you guys, I loved it. I don't love my eyelashes. They're kind of puny, kind of short. I have to use a lot of mascara to make them look good. And my eyelashes grew. I think I used the product. I think I started noticing within 1 month, I could tell a difference. And then by the second month, I had to actually stop using it because my eyelashes were getting too long.
The product is Rodan Field's Lash Boost. It's a company that's been around for a while that does direct sale and has really quality products. But I will say, I love the product as well. I have decently long and thick lashes, but I'm 68 years old, so they ain't what they used to be. And I get thin sometimes. You're supposed to just use it on the upper lash, but I get thin sometimes, or you lose them, or it seems like they're less long on the outside. And so I too have been using the product. I've had to back off as well, but I use it now that I've established kind of my body's responsive to it. I use it maybe once or twice a week just to keep my lashes a little thicker. Then the mascara seems to hold better, and it just ends up with a nice little lash boost.
So if you want to learn more about it and try it out, we will provide the link to Danna's friend Julie to her website. And on her website, you can either order or you can reach out to her. She's got great customer service. You can email her or contact her if you have any questions. And we just wanted to review it and tell you about it because we think it's good.
If you've got limp and lazy lashes, then try this little lash boost and see if it gives the same results to you.